I'm Pastor Edward Richard Hines, President of the 6th Precinct Clergy Council GodSquad. Today we are partnering with Connect and BCS, providing resources, shower to the homeless population that we have among us here in Brooklyn. This is our third year doing this event right here on Eastern Parkway in Utica. Our homeless population, we have a warm shower for them provided by BCS, and then after the shower, they come and they receive free clothing, brand new clothing, from undergarments to clothing to personal hygiene products, and connect them with resources also that they need every day as they go through their days. Literally brought them over, we guided them into the shower, brought them to every tent. They also received food as well, fresh fruits. They left with a sense of pride. They were left happy. They were felt so fulfilled that they were able to have a fresh shower, a warm shower, and also to receive clothing. These are some of our population that we need to pay special attention to and to support them whatever way we can. And this is how we are doing so, playing our part in helping to tackle the problem with our homeless situation. Really appreciate Connect, Arna and BCS and others for putting this together, and the GodSquad. It really was a successful event, and one that we hope to even do more than once a year as we continue to reach out to our homeless population. So special shout out to all the organizations that partner with us, those who brought food, those who brought resources. The mammogram was here, various organizations, elected officials were here, at having tenting as well. And it was just really a collaborative event on all efforts, on all fronts. I just want to give a special shout out to all our partners.
My name is Terry. I'm the director for the Connect program with IDCC, Interborough Developmental Consultation Center, Crown Heights. We're down the hill at East New York Avenue at Utica, right next door to White Castle. We're able to put on what we call Shower in the City, thanks to a grant from the New York City Department of Health and Mental Hygiene. We've been working for the last several months to organize with many, I want to say it's about 40 different agencies, to come together to have a one-stop shop for food resources, housing resources, health care, hygiene. The shower bus brought to us by BCS, Brooklyn Community Services. It has a full shower, it has 2 full showers on it, and we're very excited they were able to join us with the Italian Americans mammogram van so that people were able to sign up in advance to receive free mammograms. We're very concerned about incidence of cancer rate in this area, and we want to really make sure that people have access to the care that they need. About a week ago, we had a heat wave, and not being able to bathe after that when it's been so sweaty, people don't feel good. And they've said it's been such an amazing thing to be able to do that. But also people getting access to food, particularly healthy food. This is an area that doesn't have much access to affordable produce, so that being able to access that has been a big thing. And we also do, as part of our Connect grant, once a month we do a massive produce distribution right in front of our location at East New York, right next to White Castle. Arna is a powerhouse. Arna Lipkind is our community liaison, and she is an absolute powerhouse. She's been working on this for the last several months, that people have also asked why we don't do this more often. Arna spends months working with the city to get the right permits with NYPD to make sure that the street is closed off. She has coordinated with every vendor who's here, as well as the number of people who have been calling in the last 24 to 48 hours, can they come? Affinity has also been kind enough to sponsor the tables and the tents that are over the tables to keep everybody out of the sun, as it is a hot day. And all of that is really thanks to the coordination and work of Arna Lipkind. Interborough.org is our website, and you can call the Crown Heights location at 718-778-0485. Our program does not just mental health services. We have an RN on staff helping people within the community to manage their healthcare needs, that especially sometimes people go to doctor's offices and don't understand what they're being told, so that she can really sit with people and make sure that they understand how to manage things like diabetes and hypertension, high cholesterol. We also have case management services for people who don't have Medicaid, as well as the agency offers case management through health homes, which is through Medicaid. The agency services people from 0 on up for all of these types of resources. We do also have a dry goods food pantry on site as well, thanks to the Department of Mental Health and Hygiene. I want to say what's up to all of Crown Heights, and please come visit us on East New York.
Oh, my name is Velda Buddy, commonly known as Gracelyn. I live on the block here, and I know there's a lot of unfortunate people that need to know a lot about programs that the city have to offer. And that was a very good idea for you all to come out here to tell people all about the housing, to feed the homeless, to take care of many of the things that they're unable to take care of for themselves. Some cannot read and write, and they need somebody to explain something to them.
My name is Ethelyn Sims. I have to be going along the way, and I saw this was, I came back to see what was happening here. And I must say that this is really a welcome change in this community. Because they are giving us a lot of resources that we didn't even know that existed. And so I welcome this, and I encourage others to come out and see whatever they can get that would help them in whatever they need to accomplish the objectives.
Hi everyone, my name is Janine Allen and I'm one of the health coach here at One Brooklyn Health, and our facility is right across the street at 1110 Eastern Parkway. That's our newly opened diabetes center, and what we're here doing today is trying to bring awareness to our community about how to prevent type 2 diabetes and also how to care for it if you're living with type 2 diabetes. We have programs that's offered free to our community that helps our patients see how they could cope with the stresses of living with type 2 diabetes, like ways to eat healthier, to be active, and also reach out to community resources. Today we're helping our community to be aware of what their vitals are. So right now we're doing blood pressure tests and also our pulses. We offer information on how to make sure that they're taking their medication, what they're eating, and also encourage them to follow up with their PCP. If they don't have a PCP, then we offer our services right across the street. Our contact information, we're located at 1110 Eastern Parkway, and our number is 718-604-5700. I want to say what's up to my community, just helping them to bring awareness that the small changes really can help to improve their life.
Hey, my name is Diana Irving. I'm one of the community liaisons at the Connect program at Interborough. We have put this all together with Anna. She is the coordinator. And we're out here to make sure that the community has everything that they need. Food, produce, anything you need. And this is like before next week, we even have a food pantry every third Wednesday of the month at the clinic. The food is healthy. We promote healthy eating because we know that it's very expensive to eat healthy. So the food is kosher. We have a chicken, rice, and vegetable plate, and we also have all vegetarian plate.
Hi, my name is Yosef Hershkop. I'm the manager of Crown Heights Urgent Care, located on the corner of Lefferts Avenue and Kingston Avenue. We do a lot of health outreach in the neighborhood, and we're very proud of our record. And we invite anyone who has any questions about what is urgent care or how we could be helpful to them. And most importantly, we are friends with What's Up. Actually, it's very important to know the difference between emergency room and urgent care and primary care. Primary care is your regular doctor who you usually need to make an appointment a few days or even a few weeks in advance, and they're not open the whole day or even every day of the week. Urgent care, we're open 7 days a week, around 14 hours a day, most days of the week. And we handle all like low level and routine emergencies. You get a cut on your finger, you're having some chest pain, you have a sore throat, you need a COVID or flu test, all that kind of stuff, instead of clogging up the ERs, which then, if someone, God forbid, gets into a bad car accident or has a full-blown heart attack, they're going to wait 8 hours in the ER. We don't want that. We want only the real emergencies should go to the ER. The mid-level emergencies should come to us, and routine health care, of course, you should have a connection with your primary care doctor. Everyone has to work together. This isn't competition. We're the middle ground between primary care and emergency room, and the more education the community has about urgent care and how friendly we are and how accessible we are, hopefully we'll gain their trust. It's our job to make the community trust us, not the other way around, and I take that very serious. As you know, we have a relationship already several years. Number one, we have Nolma. Nolma's our senior medical assistant, and I've never heard a patient not go away feeling better after meeting Nolma. And we work with every patient. Someone comes in, they're not sure what insurance they have or if they even have insurance. We work with each individual very passionately. Our providers are top notch. I'm not joking. Many urgent cares, unfortunately, gained a not great reputation for very non-courteous care. Like, okay, what do you want? Here, bye, get out the door. No, by us, what's your name? How can we help you? Why are you here today? Do you have any other issues? Do you need a referral to a podiatrist? All that kind of stuff. So we really care for each patient individually. We assess each patient how they want to operate with us. Some patients end up being by us for 45 minutes, getting a full 45-minute visit. Some patients, the visit could be 7 minutes. It depends what they're coming for. 555 Lefferts Avenue, right here in the heart of Crown Heights. Cayman Health, Crown Heights Urgent Care. You could Google us right here. You could zoom in. You could see our all of our information. And here's the coolest thing. You ready? Guess what? We're on now. We're on WhatsApp. Also, you could actually message the manager directly via WhatsApp. I don't think any other urgent care in New York offers that service. I want to say what's up to the man, to the #1 media outlet in the whole New York City.
So I'm Abena, and I'm with Brooklyn Community Services. We're out here on Eastern Parkway in Utica, where we are at Shower in the City. So our organization, we have a shower bus that provides showers to unhoused folks or folks who just may need a shower, who are not able to have a shower where they are. We provide them with the hygiene kits so they can get soap and stuff to take the shower. And then we have next door GodSquad, who has giving them clean clothes, and they're also helping us to scout out folks who need showers and help us to get them to come in and get clean. We have to make sure everything is sanitary because we don't want any infections, we don't want any people to get sick. So we do clean after everybody takes a shower. After one person, we go in, we scrub down the tubs, scrub down where everything is used, and we clean and make sure everything is sanitized so the next person who goes in to take a shower can get a clean space to be fresh and clean and take care of themselves. Yeah, we give coins, so there's a coin that we give. There's a machine that does time it. Usually we give 5 minutes, but of course, depending on what's going on, we may give more time because people may need more time. So depending on how many people we're here, we give more time. So they may get 1 or 2 coins to be able to take a good shower. And we are around various places in Brooklyn. So different days of the week. On Tuesdays, we are usually in East New York, on Belmont and Georgia. And on Wednesdays, we are on 4th Avenue in Sackett in front of Chip's Food Pantry.
Hello, my name is Deanna. I am with the Clergy Foundation, and I'm just here floating and helping out with Arna from IDCC and talking to people about our Clergy Foundation. I was also helping Grandma's Hands, Jackie Love with Grandma's Hands. She was giving out free t-shirts. We also partner with Power Millennials, so they're another organization that we've worked with. So we've worked with so many different organizations that I like to float and help out everyone.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Arna Lipkin. I'm part of Connect IDCC. We are located at 921 East New York Avenue, and we are hosting this amazing event together with GodSquad, BCS, which is the Brooklyn Community Service, handling the shower bus here. This is our 3rd year together with the GodSquad, who really, I got to give credit where credit is due. GodSquad really started this event. We have about 40 organizations here, agencies, CBOs, and lots of food. We have pantry, we gave away pantry food, produce. I want to thank all the organizations for coming. We go from here all the way to the end to Utica Avenue. It's just been a pleasure, and thank you so much, Sean, for being here. Everybody needs different services, so we try to give a wide variety of services, be it veterans over here in back of me, veteran services, which are very important because my dad was a veteran, Battle of the Bulge, and we have, the shower, we have homeless services, you name it. Next to me is Hot Bread Kitchen. That's a workforce program, career-related program, something for everybody. Health, we have health screenings. Somebody just took my blood pressure a few minutes ago because I'm just running around like crazy. So yes, we have blood pressure. We have the mammogram van. That wasn't advertised, but we have the mammogram. So we have something for everybody.
So it is happening up here today on Eastern Parkway. Just it's so historical to see the shower bus where people from the community are out here get in a shower. I mean, there are folks out here, man, that for 2, 4, 3 days have not get a bath. This is a great opportunity. And to see so many resources that are out here and it's a hub. And I come and I get, some information here, and, that's what the community need.